Want to work smarter, not harder? AI is revolutionizing business, making tasks faster and more efficient than ever. But with so many AI tools out there, which ones actually help you succeed? Today, I'll show you the 3 best AI tools every entrepreneur should use to save time, boost productivity, and grow their business. Let's dive in. The first tool on our list is ChatGPT, your personal AI assistant that can handle everything from writing to brainstorming ideas. What can ChatGPT do? Generate high-quality content for blogs, emails, and social media. Answer customer inquiries automatically. Help you with business strategies and decision-making. How businesses use it. Imagine you run an e-commerce store. Instead of spending hours crafting product descriptions, you can simply type, "Write a compelling product description for a wireless charger," and ChatGPT will generate a perfect, engaging description in seconds. Why it's a game changer. With ChatGPT, you can automate repetitive tasks and focus on what really matters: growing your business. Next up, we have Zapier, an AI tool that automates your workflows and saves you hours of manual work. What can Zapier do? Connects apps you use daily like Gmail, Slack, Trello, Shopify, no tech skills needed. Saves time by eliminating repetitive processes. Example of Zapier in action. Let's say you receive a new customer inquiry via email. Instead of manually adding them to your CRM, Zapier can automatically save their details in a Google Sheet, add them to your email marketing tool, notify your sales team on Slack. Why it's essential. Zapier helps businesses scale effortlessly by handling tasks automatically, so you can focus on higher value work instead of admin tasks. And finally, the third tool is Canva, the ultimate AI-powered design platform that makes professional branding and marketing easy. What can Canva do? Create stunning social media posts, ads, and presentations in seconds. Generate AI-powered designs with just a few clicks. No design skills needed. It's drag and drop simple. Imagine you need a Facebook ad for your online store. Instead of hiring a graphic designer, you can open Canva AI and type, "Create a modern Facebook ad for a fitness product," and instantly get professional designs ready to post. Why Canva is a must-have. With millions of templates and AI-powered tools, Canva lets businesses create stunning visuals without spending thousands on designers. So there you have it. The 3 best AI tools to streamline your business, boost productivity, and increase efficiency. ChatGPT, your AI assistant for content creation and automation. Zapier, the ultimate workflow automation tool. Canva, the easiest way to create professional visuals. Which AI tool do you use the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and follow for more AI-powered business hacks.